All right, this is a little something different. So, up on those boxes. We'll go out to the shop and get an update on green bean. So let's go. All right, she asked me why am I dressed like this. This is the uniform of the day that I have to wear now to pay for all the projects that we do around here. So, green bean. Let me flip the camera around and we'll get started. All right. Green bean is our shop truck / tailgating truck. So after we got it back, we've buffed the paint, clear coated it, and I took the rally wheels off, the beauty rings, and I've put just painted the steelies. Next was the headlights. The headlights didn't hardly work at all, so I've swapped them over. Next, we'll start with under the hood. Painted in a little touch-up paint here and there, and we also put in a cam. So it's the Richard Holder Truck Plus cam. We'll insert that here. Also, I deleted the heater box. Everything was dry, rotted, rotten, so we got rid of all that. And you'll see why in a minute. All right, from there, we did exhaust. I removed the old exhaust that Morski had on here and went with Borla single chambers, and I can't get the camera to work. It doesn't like the angle. Then on to the interior. Reupholstered the seat. Welded up all the holes in the floor. Cut off wheel and straightened that up. I put down Sweet Pattina's in-one coating. And then I put the kill mats on it. I had one, this light switch wasn't working good, so I got rid of it. Swapped that over. And then I put shoulder 3-point seat belts in it. Had lap belts before, they were pretty much toast. And then also the headliner. Headliner is insulated and covered, custom job. Also with the doors, I put new window seals and felts in it. And also added kill mat behind this panel. So now when it closes, it's solid. There's no clankety clank or none of that stuff. If you noticed also, there's no fuel tank. Fuel tank's been deleted. It's no longer behind the seat. It is in the back of the truck. I did have to make an access panel on it because I think if you saw in Dustin's, or even if you didn't see Dustin's video, the fuel line off the pump decided to Bluetooth and wasn't connected. So also, here's the bottom of the fuel tank, if I can get that in there. Yep. All right, so next I told you I took out the heater box, but we have vintage air going in. So I've got a control box, and then we'll put that in. And we'll get that put in with the compressor, then we'll add the rest of this. So small turbo, intercooler, exhaust log. I've also got the crossover piping and some dumps. So also the Please Save My Life 4L60 transmission cooler. We'll get that on there prior to installing the turbo. So that's where we are. Sorry we haven't put any videos out in a while, but with college, moving, what else I can think of all kinds of excuses, but a lot. Stuff's been going on. We've been doing cook-offs. So that's where we're at. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.